In this video, I'll show you how to create an essay question. So first, I'll provide a name for my question. Then I'll type in some text. Now in this case, I've done a word problem, but with the essay question, you can do an actual essay, maybe a response that requires a couple sentences, a mathematical proof, or whatever you want that just requires more than the standard fill in the blank or formula or equation that our systems support. So below this, I'll insert a response area, and I'll choose essay from choose question type on the left. Now I'll define a weighting, but I'll leave my default of 1. Max number of words. By default, it's 0, which means there is an unlimited amount of words that the user can type in. If you define a number here, though, that once they reach that amount, they won't be able to type any more words in. And then you can also add keywords. For example, I could add in the keyword big, and then tall, gigantic, huge. Now what this does is it's more so for review purposes. So if the user's response matches one of the keywords or synonyms, it'll be highlighted automatically in the response area. So what I mean is when a teacher or reviewer looks at the user's response for their essay question, these words will be highlighted by default. Click OK, and we finish. You can see here, essay region's there. I'll save it and show a quick preview of how it looks. Now with the essay response, students have a full editor for entering math and formatting their fonts. But it is good to note that the essay region in our systems is not automatically graded by the platform. So it does require a reviewer to log in and go to the gradebook and review and apply a grade manually to these responses. Now the gradebook does allow for annotations and partial marks so students can actually see how they got their score on their essay question. And that's how you create an essay question.